Hello everyone and welcome to New York Open today, 7th of February 2022. Hope that you are doing fantastic. Hope you are doing great. So today we are going to go through some trade plans. I'm also going to be live on A1 trading in a couple of 1.5 hours. So if you are here for the market open, I'm going to be here for 30 minutes. So I'm going to talk as fast as I can because this is going to be a good day. Because I love you. So, we have people coming into today. We are Kasasa, Samsons, Rafal, Bibi. We have Odeke. Good. So, what's the market update? What's the deal, mate? All right. So, pound is the weakest. CAD is the strongest today. European wrap up is mixed tones as the weeks get underway. It's kind of the top out of Forex Live right now. We have coming out of FX Street right now. We have RBA, some patience on the stands. We have ECB, UOB, sorry, that no rate hikes until 2023. Danske Bank thinks there's going to be a rate hike in December 2020, and then we have Eivindfx, who says that the institutional positions on pound dollar has turned bearish ahead of UK GDP print. So what do I say? Is that yesterday I said that since we didn't move higher yesterday or the previous week, if it's so great of a news event, this should made a higher high and we have just continued with like Euro USD. It hasn't. So for pound yen, I said yesterday around 156.05. I'm gonna find that YouTube just to make sure that we all are on the same place. And if you haven't seen that video, you probably should because I haven't linked it to you. But you know, it is what it is. You know, pound yen there, 696 views. That's all okay. We take off the sound and we hit share, share, and then we put that one to weekly forecast. All right, good on you. So there we are, good, and then we are on the pinned comment section today. Good. So jump over the ads, and I'm gonna go to pound yen. Pound dollar, I said 135.44. Pound yen, probably in between here. Where is it, do you think, Evan? Did I not mention it? I mentioned it yesterday. I did mention probably after New Zealand dollar then. Okay, cool. Okay, here we are. This is the, you know. And then I said, I said 156.05. There it is. Boom. And then what happened in real life? Oh, I don't know. It fell. Hello, Arctic Dad. Yeah, Kasasa, Arctic Dad, coming in, sliding in as YouTube members. Very much welcome. So, what else? What else? That's a good one, isn't it? That's a good one. And if you have forgotten to do like I did, or I did pretty like, okay, good. So, what else? Well, we have fallen, and we have fallen down to the buy zone. So if you're thinking for tomorrow, you probably need some pullback before falling again down to 154. That is just my theory, just my plan, but it's good enough already. Aussie dollar comes into the sell zone. Oh yes girl, go on, go downtown, let's go. We have currently on pound dollar coming down to on dollar we have come down to the weekly buy zone. If that's ever gonna hold, I don't know about you, but I think it's gonna hold. So let's pray to God. Let's pray that it's gonna go higher. Yeah. Has euro pound hit target for buyers? Let's go through that one too. So I'm just piling up whatever you think was going to go through, and we're going to go through it. Don't worry. I will not let you down. At least not today. So, DXY is set for a bullish trend. So I'm good to that. That was a GJ, mate. But, GU? Tja. I don't know, mate. I don't know. Like, 154, 135.44 to the downside. I don't know. Booyah! This is what we do every time, every week. So, Sawatika. VTI is rolling over as well. So, is a good time, is a good time, is a good time. It's a good time to be happy. That's what it is. Boom. Oh, yep. So, I don't know what else you want to do. Kapandu. Anyways, I don't know why I become Asian all of a sudden, but I love you guys. Anyways, so, what they gonna do? Kapandu. So now, okay, cool. Roll over. Doing whatever it's gonna do. Did what it did. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go serious now. DXY is double bottom, needs a higher high, higher low, then we can buy that one. Aussie has come up to resistance. I need to check if there it is. If I can find my that's an explicit sound. If I can find my trades, I don't know if it's open yet. Yeah, ooh, Kathmandu, what to do? This is what we did. Yeah, Aussie dollar. I sold that one on the live, and that is the sell for the week. I put a limit order up there, and we are going to do. We are good. So we are in that one. So Aussie dollar sell activated. I know people in the in Discord on Nick's live is going to be angry at me now, but I don't care about do. I do. Sold Aussie dollar, and then what's the price? Right price tiles. It was 71.11 actually. 71.11. Update coming. Everyone. So no, float. I can't do the whole shit again now, so I'm just gonna call it out. I did it. And then what is it now? How much away from profit is it really? For entry, it is 7 pips. Okay, people are gonna angry at me. Okay. Sorry, mate. I told you what I'm gonna do yesterday, and if you didn't do that yesterday, I don't know what to do. So, yeah. Tess, is it buy or sell on Aussie? Like, bro, Tess, please. I don't expect this from you. I didn't think you will fall this far. But there is a part of me that I'm loving, I'm caring, but you need to do the most basic thing out there in this world is to look at my weekly forecast. 700, almost 700 views on that one. It's weekly forecast, gold, euro, USD. I have looked into Aussie at around 2 minutes in, not too far, not too much, doesn't hurt you too much. And I said where I'm going to put my limit order in. There it is. 71.11. Okay, so is it a sell or is it a buy? I don't know. You choose yourself. I don't know what for you, but for me, I've already chosen. Good afternoon, Marco. Buongiorno. But yeah, cool. So Euro was requested for. And boy, oh boy. So we have well, I guess you can be very extremely aggressive and be like, well, I'm going to sell that thing. But yeah, so we're going to sell that thing. And then yeah, good games, but I'm not selling that one yet. So I need a lower low, and then I can sell it. So maybe within this live, that would be great. I'm not going to mention any names, but I'm just going to random number generator, and we're going to have 1, and then we're going to have when is it? 1 to 1,000, and then that's the result. Everyone can see it, or whatever. Everyone can see the number, and the number is 64. And we're gonna go back to that, and I'm gonna go that into Discord as well. And yeah, okay, that's the number. So whoever is closest to 674, congratulations. Anyways, so that was that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then back to euros. So, by the way, I think that and then we are good to go down, I guess. But as long as, so if you're going to be like pure technical here, we have to be either breaking higher or lower. So I don't know if it's going to be breaking lower or higher or whatever it's going to be. But if it breaks lower, I'm going to be happy. But if it doesn't break lower, I'm okay. So, you know, you have break of that price or that price, and depending where the markets want to go. I don't know. You tell me. All right. We still have to go down to around 1350 to get buyers again. So good on that. So good. Yeah. For those who mentioned the word, I'm gonna ban you for life, by the way. So we're not gonna mention the word, but yeah. So yeah, I can see that you guys are having fun now. But yeah. So New Zealand. Well, what else? What else? What else? Did we mention pound yen? Pound yen. Ooh, good. Good goal. Okay, I'm going to go back to chat here. Pound Aussie, pound dollar, sorry. Pound, we did, pound. Pound is here, 135.44. Maybe 135.15, 16. Maybe comes back a bit up again before falling again. Adeka says, I love you too. Arctic says, hello everybody. Hello Evan, good morning. Euro yen, New Zealand yen. It's the final countdown. I feel like we are very high on the euro, and it makes a new low. So I'm like, okay, maybe we can sell that one. But you know, so maybe a small sell there. But I won't buy it yet, and not until 130.80, 130.18 more than anything else. Jenny says, Frankie, good morning. How are you, mate? How are you? How was America? South America? On the other side of the pond, basically. So yeah. What's the target? 128. More than anything else. Sell pound Aussie at 134, 135.42. Looking for more downside. Okay, good on that. Aussie dollar already done. VTI rolling over. So, euro yen is the sell side. New Zealand yen is the sell side. Oh, boo 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 boo. Okay. Staying alive. So. For those who doesn't know what I'm talking about, who became a member? Strider becomes a member. Very much welcome to the clan. To the clan. Sorry, go back to that one. Oh, you finished your program? Yeah, I'm still waiting for your call, mate. I'm just wondering if, yeah, I know you don't have time, but you know, do not worry. I'm ready, and I am waiting, and I'm happy to have you on a call. And no, also the thing is, I expect you to use the link that is provided to you to book a Zoom meeting. But I can also call you on your phone number. That's okay. But you're supposed to book a meeting on the Zoom link that everyone else uses, kind of a thing. And then you'll find if it fits for you, kind of a thing. And if it doesn't fit, then we have a problem. But yeah, cool. Well, it says it was 69. Oh yeah. Good. Also, it's a good Mohammed, it's a good position to take. So yeah, good. So yeah. So downside, everything is downside here. Good. Oil. Okay, all right. Okay. I think it was it yesterday on the stream or something. I said that's a potential buy zone. That's a potential buy zone. And yeah, okay, cool. And then that's a potential buy zone. Okay, cool. I don't know if I'm right, but 91 sounds like a good deal. So yeah. Also, what else can you ask for, mate? It is upside. Thank you, Evan. Good DJ sell buys. Okay, cool. Fantastic, mate. Thank you for the support. So it's potentially, if it doesn't break 92, I think it's gonna fall a bit more down. But so far, goodbye. Good soup, mate. Good soup. For those, I don't know if anyone understood my joke yesterday. I felt I was joking by myself. Oh, it was okay, because I posted that soup yesterday. That's a fish soup, by the way, and that meme there. I thought it was pretty funny. Good soup. But yeah, I'm not gonna post that video because that's a bit of too much. But because we don't want that one to happen. So ban is not a thing. So oil. To the upside. So we have number 2 with plan A, plan B. I just made that right now, and then hopefully it will go higher. Depends on a lot of things. War, your emotions, and your plan, and everything else. So I'm gonna do Euro Pound and Pound Aussie, and USD CAD and USD Yen, and then I am going to ask if you guys want to do gold. If you do gold, we can do so. So USD CAD has been wanted to make a higher high. It is now coming back down to support, which is kind of like not what I planned for on Friday. I don't think I made that plan. I was like, I don't know. So the market has given you a discount. Okay, the market has given you a discount. Is that a good buy? Would I take that buy? It is way more better. It's better placed. So if this fits you, then yes, it is ding dong dong up there. El Gamer, mate, where have you been? ¿Cómo estás, mate? ¿Cómo estás, amigo? I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Muy bien. No. What is it? How are you in Spanish? Nah, not Norwegian. Spanish. Yeah, ¿cómo estás? Il Divine. Gracias. So yeah, that's a good setup, I would say. So yeah, good to go higher. That's the thing there. The other one was USD Yen. I don't like USD Yen, mate. Please don't do that to me. So sell side. Definitely sell side. Yeah, of course it was sell side. Sell side, buy side, and no side. Because what I would do now within the range. Okay, let's do new charts here. Oops. New chart, thank you. That one, and then that one, and then that one. So bearish. So right now we have a range within the range, kind of a thing, So that's the next demand zone, for those like demand zones, like that. And then this is kind of like it's a range within the range. So that's kind of what you're thinking. But I would just ultimately equalize it to 0 game, and it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm not trading it. What does Paka means? Paka? Doesn't make any sense. Is it Icelandic? No, it's not Icelandic. Because Paka in Norwegian is to pack. Like to have packed something. So, yeah. I might. Can you do less? Oh, okay. Now I understand, Joel Gamer. Okay, we got a new guy here that tells me to do less Charlie's Act and more trading analysis. Like, what do you want me to do, mate? I did use the yen for you. I have done all the other pairs for you. But okay, cool. I should be less childish then. So how do you become less childish? Okay, cool. I will just need to reprogram my brain to not be childish, to be more mature. I can be old. That can be a fun thing to do. But yeah. Sorry, mate. Maybe not your cup of tea. But if you looked at my weekly forecast, which is in the link over there. If you saw my weekly forecast, where were we? Yeah, I'm probably going to dance. Yeah, so if you want without the childish behavior, we just search for weekly forecast, and you search for Eivindfx if you like me. I guess you don't like me anymore. You go to this video here, which is in the description there. And I am very serious, it's only 11 minutes out of your life. I'm sorry for that being that long. You can skip to whatever pair you want me to take, and you can leave a comment here, and I will comment on you. See? I respond to every single comment that is here. Oh, I forgot to do that one, sorry. I thought I did that. Nice, thank you. See, I respond to comments. So if you have a nice comment, I will be likely to do that. So, yeah, have a good one. It's the it's time for dark mode. I don't know what made the stream go down last week. So I don't know. I'm really light on the what do you call it, on the humor now. I just need to figure out what did I do wrong. It's a grand old man. I'm just going around here. I can be like, well, I was going a bit higher. Yeah, gold. I was asking for gold earlier. Okay, cool. Nobody asked for gold, but that's your demand zone. That's your supply zone, whatever you call that thing. For those who does do it, I guess that's what it is. So look for sells in here. Look for buys in here. Oh, it happened a couple of times. Sorry, mate. And I guess there was a demand zone somewhere in here that's broken now. And right now, what do you do right now? What do you do? This is where, I'm not going to use the term, well, some other dude used a bad term. I'm not going to do a bad term, but it's where pigs get slaughtered, or it's where traders lose money, or it's the mud pile. Let's call it the mud pile. in here. This is a mud pile. This is mud. So I don't want to be in mud. What else? Shuran says that I probably Baka shouldn't get offended if I put a child on. Well, I have a couple of funny ideas for some not offensive but more interesting weekly forecasts. But this one that I have right now seems to be working the most. But I have put on people's incredibly bad trade plans. But yeah, a buzz. But yeah. Raphael, that's not we don't speak of that anymore. We speak of that in Discord. That's where we speak about that. Okay, so why did I lose my trail? Where's my trail at? Jan Pairs is having a comeback right now. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I remember. Pound Aussie and Euro Pound. So oil, we did oil for a couple of seconds before I kind of blacked out. The blackout is we are in demand zone. We went higher. Good. So, and then Euro Pound is there somewhere here. Okay. I do apologize for being such a terrible entertainer here. You know, I'm not like Billie Jean at my son. No, at my son. Oops. Charlie. Charlie bit me. Euro Pound. I don't know. Okay. Resistance. Fair enough. That's okay. Support. Buy zone. Good enough. Right now, I don't know, mine. I want to succeed in here. So it's a bit of a struggle, I would say, at the moment. And something is getting stronger. Someone's falling. Yeah. I'm just gonna stop going saying but I would say maybe down to those prices if we go down there that you might look for a buy setup. But I don't know. Well, the thing I don't know is that it's in no man's land, where it's when all is, I guess, and this is kind of not what to expect in a market, and so yeah, yeah, no, I'm just putting X's on because I read the market and I'm reading again. I'm like, is there anything here? There is nothing here. Unless it comes down to 84, we can talk about it. Thank you very much, Wanderan. Is there any sell level on New Zealand yen, mate, that I missed the previous one? If you missed the sell level, wait out today and see what the market does. That is the sell level, and I don't want you to sell now. So wait for something to happen and then see if it makes a lower low. Then fine, we can find a pullback. But right now, if you didn't take that, pass out, peace out. So yeah. Finally showing some strength on USSR. So you said something earlier, mine. What did you say? You said something around has Euro Pound hit target for buyers. And I'm like, well, no. Well, it did probably last week, but it did last week, so that's definitely a risk. But that's still, if it still makes higher high like it does right now, you're still very much allowed to, continue buying, right? But you have to be above current low, and if it comes down to 84, you can kind of buy again. But it's kind of like, it's kind of pausing out. So the question is, will it regain momentum? And it's only up to the market then. So last week it did, yes, but not for this week. And then this month, yeah, it has. So I'm gonna put a order out That is the nuclear sound in my brain, at least, where it says you can't trade your pound anymore for this month. Bye. Strider, the new member today, asked for SMP. I'm sorry for forgetting about that. I will do so. And then uses are. When we all waiting for a buy and a sell range, fib. Yeah, mate. My SMP is good. SMP is good. We were expecting this one last week, and we are still holding above. So still to the upside. If you're wondering about new positions, I guess current price is okay. But as long as we are above, not below. As long as we are above that one, that is kind of what I would hope for, at least. That's a good one. So to the moon, as so far at least. So still bullish, still hold our bullish buys. The reasons for bullish buys is that we're still having a very strong economy. Businesses are still making money, generally speaking. And the Facebook scare last week is kind of like a last week thing, and now we have a new week. Nasdaq, same thing. Still bullish from 14,600. Still to the upside. Still good. And USSR. When did it move? It didn't move on Friday. I think it moved on Friday. So okay, cool. Yeah. Maybe 1534, 32. Sorry, and then higher. But also, it sets up for a good buy setup. It does. It's good. But you know, there is some Jimmy Carrey in me sometimes. If you remember, is it God Almighty? I think it's called. You know, I think that's probably what I'm with Jim Carrey, Jennifer Aniston, and is it Morgan Freeman that I'm referring to sometimes. So yeah, there we go. US 30, mate. Oh, I think I need a coffee now. Happy. Anyways, same thing, same shenanigan to the upside. As long as it still holds the low, we're still good. Bruce Almighty. Is that Bruce Almighty? It's God Almighty. I can search for God Almighty. Is this the one? Oh, it's not the one. Okay, that's a song though, but okay, film. Okay, probably one that says Bruce Almighty then. Yeah, it's Bruce Almighty. Jimmy Carrey, Jennifer Aniston, and Morgan Freeman. Well, it looks so old now. That movie looks so old. I feel like it was yesterday, though. Lesmana says, "Hi, Evan. What do you think about Australian dollar, US dollars? So far, mister, I have a sell at that price there, 11.71.11. I'm still in profit there. So that's what I think. Oh, I don't have stop loss on it. Please, God help me. So yeah, put the stop loss in there now. When you go to bed and you forgot to put stop loss on. Euro Swiss short. That's probably the last one today, and I'm going to be live in a couple of 58 minutes on A1 trading, and I'm going to give you the link in the time soon. I wouldn't. For anyone else that has more pairs to cover, we will do that on A1 trading in a couple of 57 minutes. Where is the link? If we all go to, is it A1 trading, and he's live there now. But have they put up a new one? No, they haven't. So I'm going to look at, I'll be looking like this, my face like that. And but yeah, so 15 minutes. Okay, cool. Good on that. Euro Swiss is sell. I wouldn't. What's the price? 59. Yeah, it's a short-term thing. It will easily blow through that level. So, but yeah, by all means, Dennis. I've already looked at Nasdaq. It's good for a buy. It looks good for the upside. How long does price go up? how long does the price go up in a bearish market? Oh, that could be a week, that can be a day, that can be a couple of hours. It all depends how strong, how big of a time frame you're talking about bearish. If you're talking about this range here, if you talk about a euro, for example, and talk about, you know, this market here, it's bearish here, and then it's 4 hour, so that's a day up. That's a day up, and then sometimes it's just a couple of candles and it falls. So it all depends. So somewhere between 8 hours and a day, it depends. But if you sell, for example, if you sell a top here, when you can expect a new top? You can expect a new top within the next day. Okay, within the next day. So it's kind of like tops, you know. So yeah. Okay, cool. We can use A1 trading for reading the COT data. Okay, cool. Have a good day. Bada bing, boom. Have a good day. Wait a minute. There's 2 new members today? Who's the other one? Oh, Yusuf. Please, Yusuf. Thank you very much. Welcome to the team. I'm sorry for not seeing it. Sorry, mate. Sorry. Boom.